Welcome to the quiz game. Here is a fun challenge. I'm going to give you quotes from Harry Potter and you have to guess who said it. This is going to be so much fun. Let's get started. Who said there is no Hogwarts without you, Hagrid?
There's no Hogwarts without you, Hagrid.
Who said there is no such thing as magic?
It was like magic!
There's no such thing as magic.
Who said you are a fool, Harry Potter, and you will lose everything?
You're a fool, Harry Potter, and you will lose everything.
Who said, troll in the dungeon, troll in the dungeon?
In the dungeon! Troll in the dungeon!
Who said, you look so like your father except your eyes?
But you look so like your father. Except your eyes.
Yeah, my mother's eyes.
Who said, it is the quality of one's convictions that determines success, not the number of followers?
It is the quality of one's convictions that determines success, not the number of followers.
Who said, help will always be given at Hogwarts to those who ask for it?
Help will always be given at Hogwarts, Harry, to those who ask for it.
Who said, you are saying it wrong, it's Leviosa, not Leviosa?
Besides, you're saying it wrong. It's Leviosa, not Leviosa.
Thank you for watching, guys. Did you have fun? I hope to see you again soon on the quiz game. Bye!